Hey guys, Rigo here with a global profit system traffic video. So in this video we're going to be going over my most recent traffic run, which is actually about 4 different traffic runs. Haven't uploaded a video in 3 weeks, so it's been it says on YouTube 3 weeks, but we've been through 4 weeks of traffic. So I'm going to be going over those 4 weeks of traffic, show you guys my results, which I was happy with, but I'll go a little bit more into detail about that. But first of all, we're going to talk about a little bit, not a whole lot. I don't want to waste a whole lot of time with what is Global Profit System, like a review of what Global Profit System is. Just a quick review, kind of a vague review. If you guys want to check out more information, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my my other videos, where I go into more detail about what is the Global Profit System. So yeah, guys, let's jump into it. The Global Profit System is basically a free marketing system, guys. It's a marketing system that is absolutely free to use. And inside of the Global Profit System are 3 different income streams that every marketer out there needs. So let me just go ahead and share with you guys that. So these are the 3 different income streams: GDI, domains, the other stuff. You can set up a blog and get an email, but I would just want to keep it short and sweet. Domains, Aweber, list building service, of course. ClickFunnels, sales funnel creator, a lot of great stuff over there, a lot of valuable information as well. Russell Brunson is the creator of ClickFunnels, and he is one of the biggest affiliates in the world, so you can definitely learn a thing or two from him. But yeah, guys, this whole system is basically takes you step by step, and it shows you how making money online really works, guys. So it's not complicated because you go step by step, and it pretty much teaches you how it all works and how it all comes together. It'll help you set up your list and growing that list, how to get traffic. We have training over here. Let's go to the home page over here. So over here in your training area, there's paid traffic strategies, free traffic strategies. So there's a lot of stuff you can go through here, and I've gone through it in other videos, so you guys can go check out my other videos. So I don't want to keep wasting your time. I know this video is about traffic, so basically that's what it is, guys. It's just a free marketing system you can use. You can literally just click the link below, create your free account. Don't have to commit to anything. You can just go through the system, check it out for yourself. You can even check out the traffic for yourself. And even if you don't join, you can still just look at the training. So that's pretty awesome, guys. We also have like live trainings, whenever our mentors, the creators of this program, of this marketing system, sorry, not a program, it's a marketing system, because then people think it's a program and that Global Profit System pays you, and no, it's not. Global Profit System doesn't pay you anything. It's just a free marketing system. Inside of it are income streams, guys. So I don't want to confuse you. It's not a program. It's just a free marketing system that you just simply easily plug into, and you have 3 different income streams inside of it, all of which come with free trials, guys. So you can set everything up without pulling a penny out of your pocket, guys. You can set it up today. It's very, very simple. You just follow the step-by-step instructions, and it basically just goes over everything, guys. So that is what the Global Profit System is. Like I mentioned, I know this was very vague. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me, email me below. Check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, so you can go ahead and do that, guys. So let's move on to my traffic results. So like I mentioned, I ran 4 weeks of traffic, so I went over to Aweber and this is around the last time that I haven't gone over my traffic, so around December 14th. So I'm basically just put everything, all the people that subscribed to my list after that. So we got 355 subscribers. Now I have a few of these were from free traffic strategies, guys. So not everything is paid. Some are free traffic strategies for people who who reach out to me through Facebook, through email, and they ask questions. But basically 355. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just tick off a few. I'm just gonna go ahead and do 352. Let's go 353. I don't remember that many people reaching out to me and joining my list through just reaching out to me. Not the last few weeks at least. So let's just go ahead and go with 352. 2. Let's keep it at 352, guys. So these past 4 weeks, 1 week I did 200, so let's go ahead and add that, 200, plus another week I did 200, plus another week I did 200, and then the latest week I did 300. So, and this is my latest week over here, 300 clicks, and I got like a, what is that? I think it's like a 15% over delivery, 340 clicks. So, yeah, so the last week I did 300 clicks, because when over delivery is basically just to help out the opt-in percentage for people who sell you solo ads, solo ad vendors. That's what I use for paid traffic. Solo ads, I don't use Facebook ads or Instagram or anything like that, just purely solo ads. So yeah, guys, 900, and I have 352. We're doing right, I think. So 352 divided by 900 is a 39% opt-in rate. Wow, that's really, really good. That's pretty much 40, almost 40% opt-in rate, guys, which is really, really awesome. I'm always aiming for at least a 30% conversion, so that's really, really good, guys. Let me just do the numbers again. 352 divided by, just to make sure here, 900 clicks that I bought overall. Yeah, guys, that's 39%. So I'm really, really happy. Overall, I got a 39% opt-in rate to my list, guys. So from all the traffic that I bought, over 39% people opted in, guys. So that's really, really good. That's a lot of people when you're counting, when it's 900 clicks in total. Of course, that's over 300 people. So that's really, really good, guys. That's really the name of the game, getting traffic to it. The marketing system does everything for you. It does all the selling and telling for you. Most people that join don't even reach out to me. Honestly, the people that reach out to me and ask me questions and questions and questions usually don't join. They just kind of waste my time, but, you know, that's fine. I'm happy to answer questions because, you know, they might be in a tough situation at the moment. Maybe they're going to join later on. I've had people who take the free trial with GDI, and then they don't become active. Then like 2 weeks later, sometimes even a month later, I just see that they randomly just became active. So sometimes people are, you know, gathering their stuff, saving some money, maybe, possibly, you know. So just give them time and be patient. I found that you have to be very patient when you're doing business online, guys. So yeah, it's not complicated at all, guys. You just show people the system. You get eyes in front of your offer, and your offer, if you have an offer that converts, hopefully you do, that offer will just convert, and this system just takes them step by step, does all the selling and telling for you, and people just become active because they just see the value in it. So, and the creators of the Global Profit System earn over $500,000 leveraging systems just like this one. So now you have, you know, access to a system like they use for free, guys. They're not even charging anything. There's a lot of systems out there that are also great, but they, you know, they charge you a monthly fee. So with GPS, no monthly fee here, no monthly fee for Global Profit System. So that's really, really awesome, guys. And from these 900 clicks, from these 355 subscribers, I got many people who actually, you know, became members. You know, they take their trial, and some become active, some don't become active. Like I mentioned, some people will become active later on. Some people will become active through my follow-up, because through Aweber, you know, we have an email series that goes out for like 2 months to every single subscriber that gets added on. So sometimes people add through the follow-up emails, which I've also gotten. I've also experienced personally myself that sometimes people, they don't join at first, then I email them, or sometimes I email my list too. You know, if I have something interesting to share with my list, share some value, I email them, and sometimes people, you know, create their free accounts with GPS through there. So they're like that. So that also does happen, guys. You really have to be, you know, shooting through all cylinders. You have to be doing as much as you can, guys. So, but it's really not that complicated, guys. And the system shows you how to do everything. Shows you how to set up a list, how to create a list, you know, how to connect everything. So first, it's, you know, it's a little more, it's not complicated at all. I just mean it takes a little bit of time to set it up. Not much time, but it takes a little bit of time to set it up. And then after that, you don't have to keep setting it up. It's all set up, and then you just run traffic, and basically everything is automated, guys. And you do whatever type of marketing you you can do, you feel comfortable with. I like doing YouTube videos, so this is free marketing. You know, any leads that I get through YouTube are free. I'm not paying for them. Any leads I get through Facebook, they're free. I'm not paying for Facebook ads. It's just free. I do solo ads. You know, that's the paid traffic that I do. So that's why I'm showing you the results. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I do. That's really it. And I've been looking forward to film a video to show you guys my results, you know, that I've had. Because I've been promoting this for, I don't know, like 3 months or something. And it was with a brand new list. You know, I didn't have a list that was already built for this. I built this list from the ground up, you know, with 0 subscribers. I've been building it up. So I want to show you guys my results with this brand new list, how many people I have on my team. Well, I'll just tell you, I have over 20 people in my team right now. I got people taking trials, so I became a platinum director, actually, within the company. So I'm really excited about that. I ranked up pretty fast. So I'm no huge marketer, guys. I'm not some gigantic marketer with a list of hundreds of thousands of people, you know. I'm just somebody, you know, coming up. I still work a 9-to-5 job, and that I want to leave behind, that I want to quit, and I want to build residual income for myself so I can be able to quit my job, guys. So that's what I'm working towards. Things are looking great. Every month my residual income is increasing, you know. So that's what we're looking for, you know. I'm not going to tell you that I'm making, you know, tens of thousands of dollars in my first month, because that's, you know, a lot of people like that do that kind of marketing, like, oh, look, I made $10,000 my first month. That's not really realistic for someone. If you're just getting started, that's not realistic for you guys. It's not realistic for me either. So that's not what my expectations aren't like that. My expectations are to slowly grow this over time with these legitimate companies that have been around for a long time, that will be around for a long time, to build some reliable residual income, guys. So that's really the best thing you can do, guys. Build some residual income that you can rely on every month, guys. So, and you just have to keep working the system, and you will get there, guys. You will get there, because I've seen many people do it. I've seen other people that are doing it right now, and I've seen people that are just starting to do it, guys. And it's really exciting, and it's really, really great, guys. So I just, you know, I completely, really I'm enjoying my experience with the global profit system. It's converting really well for me. I've promoted other things with paid traffic that didn't convert as well. That, you know, not any bad companies out there, just didn't convert as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. These are my results. If you guys have any questions, like I mentioned, I'm gonna probably make a video soon to really show you guys my results and the money that I've made and stuff like that. So yeah, and it's nothing super impressive. It's just like, if you start seeing results, then if you make 1 sale, you just keep doing what you're doing, then you make 10 sales, then you make 20 sales. That's what I've been doing, guys. I made 1 sale and I thought, wow, this converts, this works. So I'll keep doing what I'm doing. Then I made 2 sales and 3 sales. And the thing is, these sales are recurring. So every month, you know, you're making them. So yeah, guys, that's how I've been doing it. I got to 1 sale, then 5 sales, and 10 sales, and 15, and 20 sales, and that's just how I've been doing it, guys. And it's been working out for me great. So that's why I'm making these videos, sharing my results with you guys, so you can kind of get an idea of what your possible results could be. I can't guarantee any results, but this is what my personal experience has been with the global profit system, with solo ads. So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys, and I hope this provides a value. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I didn't really keep track of how many members that I joined, but each single run that joined me, each single run, I got people taking on the trial. Every single week I got at least 1 person that became active. So, and then people randomly from other weeks joined as well. That's why I mean, you know, the follow-up, sometimes people take time. You can't really predict how it's going to go. You just have to keep doing it, keep feeding the funnel, keep growing your list, and people will become active when they see the value and they get to know you guys. So that's really important. That's why the follow-up is so important, guys. Which I'm sure if you've been around online marketers, you probably know that already, but still, you know, for all those people that are new, it's absolutely important to be building your list, to be following up with your list and providing value, guys. They have to get to know you, like you, and trust you. So that's pretty much it, guys. This video is already a little bit too long. So I will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you watching this video. Like I mentioned before I go, if you guys want to create your free account with Global Profit System, click the link below. It's absolutely free to create an account. If you guys want to reach out to me through Facebook, you guys want to email me, whatever you like, leave a comment below. That's what you prefer. That's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe to my channel, of course, for other videos, my other previous traffic videos, and other videos that I've done on Global Profit System. Well, thank you guys for watching my Global Profit System traffic video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.